Thermo-Clean is the leading specialist in paint stripping the tooling for the automotive industry. We understand better than anyone else the importance of perfectly clean and perfectly fitted tooling to guarantee the continuity of your automated production processes. At Thermo-Clean, we know everything there is to know about thermal and chemical paint stripping. Because of our vast experience and technical expertise, we are fully acquainted with the production processes of automotive manufacturers. With Thermo-Clean's Total Care Automotive concept, you are guaranteed perfectly clean paint shop tooling. But we go much further than that and give you full service in regards to handling, local masking, cleaning, repairing and straightening. For the entire process of paint stripping, you have the convenience of just one contact and one partner, which makes it all very efficient. A continuous production contributes to a higher first-run OK rate. With Total Care, you're guaranteed perfectly clean and perfectly fitting tooling brackets to attain that higher efficiency. As a result, you drastically lower the repair costs and downtime costs, which will immediately result in a much better performance of your paint shop. That is why an efficient production is our starting point. In order to accomplish that, it is important to get to know each other's production processes so that we can achieve improvements together. So there is no ordinary customer-supplier relationship, but a strong partnership with our customers. Thermo-Clean wants to take care of all of your concerns. Because we have multiple branches, we can offer you maximum certainty to guarantee the continuity of your production. We like to share our solutions. How can we help you?